Welcome. Our today's topic is SDG Sustainable Development Goals. Overview. There have 169 targets, 4010 events, 7909 actions. The SDG start at 2015. There have 1352 publications, and most important thing, there are total goals 17, and the name of SDG is Global Goals. SDG adopted by the United Nations. Targeted achievement year is 2030. Aim of SDG. By 2030, all people will enjoy peace and prosperity through ending poverty and protecting the planet. Now the goals. SDG 1. No poverty. No people will live below the poverty line. SDG 2. Zero hunger. All people will have proper food for eating. SDG 3. Good health and well-being. All will have access for good health and well-being. SDG 4. Quality education. All will have access for education. SDG 5. Gender equality. All will have access to everywhere, either male or female. SDG 6. Clean water and sanitation. Clean water and sanitation for all. SDG 7. Affordable and clean energy. There will have manage of affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth. There will have system for decent work and economic growth. SDG 9. Industry innovation and infrastructure. There will have some changes in industry and innovation and infrastructure. Reduce inequalities. The place where have some inequalities present now, it is need to be reduced. SDG 11. Sustainable and communities. Sustainability and communities is very important, and it should be in reality. SDG 12. Respect consumption and production. It is must need to respect consumption and production system. SDG 13. Climate change. Climate change is an important issue in this era, and there should have proper action for adaptation of this climate change. SDG 14. Life below water. There have a huge life in the below water, and there should have proper steps for the life below water. Life on land. Life on land is another most important. There is need to take proper steps. It is 16. Peace assistance is strong institution. Peace and justice is very important, and as well as they need to ensure the strong institution. This is 17. Partnership for the goal. There should have a strong partnership to achieve this goals. Now that's all presentation. Thank you for with us, and there are some references.